Hey there, Caitlin here, Snap Ed Nutrition Educator in Waldo County, Maine. Are you not ready for the holidays to be over? Me either. 2021 is not off to a great start, so let's make some gingerbread pancakes. We're going to bring all those warm holiday spices to your breakfast table and make your kitchen smell amazing. So we're going to start by getting a bowl and a whisk. Then I got my eggs. Crack my egg in there, whisk it up real good. Then I added some agave instead of honey, some vanilla, some salt, baking powder, and apple pie spice. The next time that I made this, I actually added a little more ginger, and I think it was so much better that way. But check the link in the description box below for the recipe. You could see that baking powder blooming a little bit there. It looks a little chunky when you first add it, but give it a second and it'll get a little foamy. And then I added some coconut milk instead of oil or milk. And then there's my whole wheat flour. These were so yummy, I didn't even have to put anything on them. My son was just walking around the house with one in his hand, like, constantly for days. I think I've made this like 3 or 4 times since I filmed this recipe about a week ago. If you want more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and head to mainsnaped.org. So now we're going to head over to the pan. I love my spray avocado oil. Get just a little bit of oil down there, instead of doing that eyeballed glug of the jug where you usually get at least a tablespoon or 2 more than you actually need. Just messing around with the burner, giving the batter one last whisk. Once the pan started to get hot, I did a little tester cake. Isn't there a rule that, like, the first pancake turns out horribly? Isn't that, like, just nature, right? It's a law of nature or something. So make a little one first, and then there you go. All that bad luck is only wasted on a dime-sized, quarter-sized pancake. It was really cute and really yummy, though. Just trying to get it all crispy on all the sides, and then struggling to get it out of the pan. Come on, you got it. There you go. Good job. Alright, so now it's time for the serious size pancakes. I actually have this little cookie dough scoop. I think I got it for like $3 or $4 on Amazon, but you can find them at Rennie's or at Job Lots. They're pretty cheap, and it's an easy way to make sure that all of them come out the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to get like a perfect level scoop for each pancake, but it's a good way to measure them out. And the little scraper bit inside helps to drop the little dollop in the pan without having to, shake your spoon and make like an artistic blob. They actually look more like round pancakes. It was so cute. Kind of looked like a mini English muffin. It was so yummy though. I really love like the spices, and the batter was so fluffy and light and easy to put together. I mean, what more can you ask for from pancakes, right? This next batch, I tried to make them a little bit smaller so that I'd have a little bit more control flipping them around in the pan, but you'll see soon enough that that didn't really help at all. Yeah, so much for circles. Look at that last one. That's an artistic blob, that's what that is. Alright, and the struggle of the flip begins. They were so fluffy that it was hard to get to one pancake without accidentally touching another one, because they puffed up so well. But I managed. I did it, guys. You can too. Yeah, all flipped, but lots of batter on the spoon. That's okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to get the recipes from the description box below. Be creative, have fun with it. Post your creations to social media with the hashtag MaineSnapEd. Stay safe, wash your hands, have fun with it. And one more thing, head to mainsnaped.org for more.